Z has submitted a repair and wants to check on the progress. To see details of the submitted repair, Z can navigate to the Check Repair Status tab. Here, Z can access a comprehensive overview of all repair-related details whenever he needs them. Z has a multitude of search options. He can display a list of all repair with the submitted status, all repairs currently on hold, what repairs are pending a quotation, and more. Z makes sure the date is within 90 days. When searching by status, the portal shows up to 90 days of repair orders. After picking the dates, he can click Submit. Z can export the search results to a CSV file or manage the columns displayed. The custom search can be used to search by repair order number, device serial number, customer reference, and more. For full view of repair details, Z can open the listed repair order. Here, Z can see all repair details. Repair information such as account, shipping, and billing details are available in the repair header. This is also where Z can access all repair-related documentation, such as the shipping manifest. Once they are generated, other relevant documents such as shipping label and invoice can also be found here. In the line items, Z can find information related to each of the registered devices under this repair order. Line items show Z what is the current status of each individual repair. If the device is on hold, what is the repair estimated time of arrival, and for completed repairs, even return shipping information. For entitled repairs, additional information regarding accessories and configurations is available under the line items. If Z wants to share the repair details overview via email, he can do so directly from this tab. Thanks to Zebra's Repair Order Portal, Z can keep track of his repairs and access all relevant information and documents in one place. Manage your own repairs comfortably at your own time. Visit repair.zebra.com today.